bucka. Yeah. This one's for my little sister, older brother, all my cousins, the Thomas, man, I hope that you caught up on all this fuss, kid. To all the lovers, hearts on fire, but they still trying to hide. Guess we all undercovers. I ain't had a moment to myself in a minute. Been plotting on my shit and making super rash decisions. Designing all my music to a science specific. Feeling like I'm insane, at least I can admit it. Every night the same dream, feeling like a vision. It must be the stained brain pumping my intentions. When I first hit the main stage, I put up the fences. Now I step onto the scene, Dr. King disposition. And now the fiends wanna listen to every line I write by the sink in my kitchen. Damn, does the whole world think like a nigga? Damn, does the whole world? Go figure. Now I've been in church for almost every single main religion, and understand that people, they need something to believe in. But if you preach hate and preach violence and still got the nerve to say the world is the problem, it's funny. Nah, see, the world is a beautiful place if you got the faith to see past the religion or race. It ain't the color of the face, it's the expression. But as far as hate goes, some people wear the same clothes since adolescence. Now they scared and defensive. Wars have started for less, fighting over the fact that we all so fearful of death. Separate so our kind is the only people that's left. Just pick your poison, it's poor or fortunate, no one's exempt. See, I believe in love, I believe in peace, believe in the burbs and believe in the streets. See, I believe that we all one, it's all the same God here. That means we all sons, we all daughters, and we all one. We all one, all brothers and sisters under this one sun. And so, I ain't saying lose faith in what's above, I'm just saying that for me, my religion is love. Different colors and different lives, different darkness and different lights. Maybe someday we will grow close enough to see the golden. Different colors and different lives, different darkness and different lights. Maybe someday we will grow close enough to see the golden. My religion, my religion, my religion, my religion, my religion, my religion. Love is my religion, my religion, my religion. Love is my religion, my religion, my religion.